Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to turn off real-time protection Windows security. Why we need to turn off this real-time protection Windows security? Because sometimes we are going to install some unauthorized software. It will corrupt that software if this Windows security real-time protection is on. And when we are going to install Siemens software and its license, it will corrupt that license file if we are going to install through EKB installer. So how we can turn off this real-time protection Windows security? So I will show you. Just open the settings, privacy and security, then click on Windows security, on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. This is the real-time protection, just turn off. Yes. Now you can install any unauthorized software and EKB installer license for Siemens software. Thank you. After finish your work, you can turn off again and close. Thank you.